Tomorrow whispers, "I'll wait for you." Tomorrow smiles, "I'll come for you." But tomorrow never shows, and today slips quietly, while you do nothing at all. If your dream is big, but laziness is holding you back, I challenge you to watch this video till the very last second without skipping. Most people quit halfway because they're never truly serious about their life. Let's see if you are different. Every day we tell ourselves, "I will start tomorrow." But the truth is, tomorrow never comes. Life moves forward, and while you wait, you stay in the same place. Every small step you take today, even 1 minute, begins to change your whole life. Failure feels like a silent curse. Every disappointed look, every small judgment piles on your chest, and yet you keep saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never comes. Even the tiniest step today can change your life, while waiting only grows regret. Think about it. Every day you postpone, the weight grows. Every missed chance builds doubt. Today, just start. Even a small action is a rebellion against that curse. Today is your chance to move, to live, to breathe. Procrastination is not just laziness. It quietly steals your future. Every "I will do it tomorrow" is a lost opportunity. Think about it. You delay reading, learning, practicing, or creating. You wait for the perfect moment that never arrives. Meanwhile, others who act today move forward, and you are left behind. Every small action counts, and the smallest step today beats inaction tomorrow. Steve Jobs didn't wait for the perfect time. Every day he worked, every day he tried, every day he moved closer to his dream. And look where it got him. And you? How many ideas and dreams sit in your mind because you keep saying, "I'll do it tomorrow"? Action, even a tiny one today, is what makes history. Waiting just keeps you watching others succeed. A young artist wanted to paint a masterpiece. Every day he said, "I'll start tomorrow." 1 year later, his friend had a gallery show. He only had empty canvases and regret. Life moves while you wait. Every small attempt today builds your story. Waiting only leaves regrets. You have to start, even imperfectly, to move forward. Here's a challenge. Take one small task you've been avoiding and start it right now. Just 5 minutes. That is enough to create momentum. Small victories build confidence. Confidence builds bigger victories. The power of tiny actions grows quietly, but strongly, and soon it changes everything. In the next few minutes, I will share 3 unexpected habits. These habits, if done daily, can change your life in ways you never imagined. The first habit is simple, but ignored by most people. Yet this one small act creates a ripple effect in your life. The second habit is surprising and easy, but only a few practice it. And the third is so powerful, it turns ordinary people into unstoppable achievers. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times, yet he never gave up. Every attempt brought him closer to success. What if he waited for the perfect moment? The light bulb may never have been born. Your small steps today are your experiments. Some will fail, some will succeed, but every effort pushes you forward. Waiting ensures nothing happens. Action is what creates results. A mother taught her child, "Do what you can today. Never delay your actions." She knew life waits for no one, and opportunities lost are hard to get back. Your dreams are like that child. If you delay, they quietly fade. If you act, they grow and flourish. Every day you act is a step toward the life you want. Now, here's another challenge. Pick one thing you've postponed for weeks. Do it in the next 5 minutes. Just start. That tiny action can spark change. Small victories give energy. Energy gives motivation. Motivation multiplies into bigger achievements. Today's action is tomorrow's opportunity. Saying, "I'll do it tomorrow," is giving your life away. Today is the only moment you control. Start now, and you take back your power. One step today may seem small, but it grows like a tree. Soon it will become strength, confidence, and success. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start now. Your future is created in this moment. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Remember, life does not wait for tomorrow. Every small action you take today shapes your future. Don't let fear or delay hold you back. Start now, move forward, and never stop believing in yourself. Your journey begins the moment you take that first step. Keep going and keep growing. This is Listener's English, and I will see you in the next step of your journey. Goodbye, my dear friends.